Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this tutorial Millennial YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Google Play voucher. So if you guys have purchased a Google Play voucher, or you have some code or some voucher code on Google Play and you don't know how to redeem it, so I'm going to show you through this video. So the first thing is open your Google Play Store, and then you just need to go to your profile by clicking this, and here go to the payments and subscription option. Just click on that, and as you can see here at the bottom, you can see the redeem gift code option. Just click on that. Okay, so here you just need to enter the code, for example, and then after that, when you're done tapping on it or inputting the code, just click on the redeem option. So this is just an example, so it doesn't work, but if you have the right code, just click on redeem, and then the redeem process will be finished. Okay, so that's it for me. That is how you can redeem Google Play voucher. So that's it for me. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you feel the video is helpful, don't forget to click like and subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Thank you.